Hello everyone, this is Amy Tong. Today I'm gonna show you how to split and seed a whole vanilla bean and show you different ways of how to use them. There are two varieties of vanilla, planifolia, which is commonly called bourbon type, and Tahitian. The bourbon vanilla is usually slightly longer and has a subtle and earthy aroma. On the other hand, the Tahitian vanilla is usually wider and it has a sweet and fruity flavor. A fresh vanilla bean should be tender and pliable like this. The best way to keep them fresh is to keep them in the original vacuum bag or store any unused portion in a Zip-Top bag and keep them in a cool dark place such as your pantry or cabinet. But in case if your vanilla beans dried out, you can still use them in different ways. Check out our other video titled How to Restore a Vanilla Bean to learn more. To split and seed a vanilla bean, you need a sharp paring knife. Hold the bean on one side and cut right in the middle of the bean. I usually cut the top layer of the bean without cutting it all the way through. Carefully open up the sides of the bean. With the back of the knife, scrape out the seeds inside. The seeds are the specks that you see in vanilla bean dessert and they provide a subtle sweet aroma. You can use both the seeds and the bean pod when your recipe calls for steeping. The bean pod itself has a lot of flavors, so please don't throw it away. You can use the pod in your poached pear recipe or make vanilla syrup. To make the vanilla syrup, simply melt equal part of water and sugar along with the bean pod together. It will be wonderful in teas, cocktails, and punches. You can also use vanilla bean to make your own vanilla extract. Simply place 7 to 8 vanilla beans in an airtight container. Pour in about 1 cup of vodka to cover the beans and let it steep. In a couple of weeks, you can already see the color is much darker. In just 2 months, you will have wonderful homemade vanilla extract. After making vanilla extract, you can still use the bean pod inside. Simply take one out, snip off the end, and squeeze out the vanilla seeds inside. I use it to infuse my plain vanilla yogurt all the time, and it is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. For more information and vanilla bean recipes, please visit Singing Dog Vanilla's website.